Wei, when you look at the bets, again, as Mana said, they were pared back for cuts in March. Does that just need to evaporate? Is there a chance that the Fed is really going to be cutting in March?
Well, we don't think the Fed is going to cut in March, and market pricing for 6 cuts for the entirety of 2024 is a bit too overly hopeful for the Fed to come to the rescue of the economy. So we do think that this year is the year of rate cuts, maybe starting in Q2 instead of March, and maybe not as many as what market seems to be hoping for. So right now, we're talking about more than 5 cuts, close to 6 cuts, but maybe closer to 3, which is actually what the Fed is signaling themselves is what we're eventually going to get. So in terms of my takeaway from the FOMC minutes last night, what is interesting is that there was a nod towards financial conditions, which we didn't get in December, which to me reads a bit on aggregate more hawkish compared to the read back in December. But the big picture is that this year is the year of rate cuts, and we have become incrementally more constructive on duration versus through the course of last year. And we want to lock in some of those higher rates at these levels because yields are coming down, policy rates are coming down.